Joining me now with more is Ray Wang, he's CEO of Constellation Research. Ray, great to see you. Joining me from Las Vegas this morning. Happy New Year. Where are you?
Happy New Year. We're here in Las Vegas, CES, and as you can imagine, it's quite early in the morning, but all the action is starting to happen. People are coming into Las Vegas, and as you can imagine, they're looking for robotics, automation, AI, quantum, all the new stuff. And of course, it's turned into a car show as well. So.
That's a great shot. We appreciate you getting up early. I know it's just about 6:30 a.m. Las Vegas time. Talk to me more about what you anticipate at this year's CES, knowing that technology, which is leading Wall Street here, will be in focus in Las Vegas.
You know, we're seeing a lot of AI infused in all across the board in electronics. There's a big push, especially for micro RGBs in the televisions. We're seeing automation in everything from your massage chair to your mattress. That's coming across the board. There's a whole section around quantum and AI now in the fountain blue. That's where they're going to be doing a lot of these installs, talking about where that future is, then this next set of technology. There's a lot of automation in manufacturing being discussed as well. So we're seeing a lot of conversations about what's happening with precision manufacturing, automated factories of the future, and there's also a big energy component. And then if you're out in West Hall, you get to see all the new vehicles, whether it's a boat, whether it's a flying car, or whether it's a EV, they're all there on the West Hall. And then of course, you see all the fun personal electronics out in the Venetian, which you typically see. And so of course, all the fun toys, all the fun gadgets are going to be there, of course.
It's going to be real fun. And again, we're so happy that you can join us as we kick that off this week. Any trends from CES in the technology space that you anticipate to coincide with market trends, overall market trends in 2026?
There's a really big push on personal efficiency and allowing AI to allow you to do more with less. You're definitely seeing that across the board. It's what we call exponential efficiency and infinite possibilities with AI. We also see a lot of interest around energy and what can we do around getting not just cheap energy, efficient energy, hopefully green drives green in the energy. And we're also seeing a number of things that are moving around in the workforce. What can we do to help augment work, make things easier? You're seeing that across the board with new types of electronics that are across the board. And then, of course, a lot of conversations about chips, as you can imagine. We've got Lisa Su speaking, you got Jensen Huang speaking. Those are some of the anticipated keynotes here at CES.
$1 trillion IPOs. I see that's on your radar as we kick things off in 2026 as well. What are these blockbuster deals that you're watching?
I'm really excited. There's three big ones: SpaceX, OpenAI, and Anthropic. On the SpaceX side, this could be up to 1.5 trillion. We're talking about everything from them. If you've seen Starlink, they've got 8.5 million subscribers. This could be bigger than Saudi Aramco's $29 billion haul for their IPO. And this is really going to be used for a lot of the missions that are coming up. OpenAI and Anthropic are battling to see who comes out first. And there's a valuation of about $1 trillion on the OpenAI side, and this is going to fund a lot of Stargate and a lot of those data centers out there. Anthropic is really going down the enterprise play, and that could be anywhere from a $350 to $500 billion IPO, and we're seeing that. And then, of course, there's Stripe, Bolt, Databricks, Canva along the way, and so hopefully interest rates come down, IPO market seems excited, and we kind of get these IPOs out the door that we couldn't get out in 2025.
Yeah, we are anxiously awaiting those deals here as we see stocks overall trading near record highs. Ray, you know, one thing that some of my markets guests have talked to me about here as we begin 2026 is that they expect perhaps a bifurcation when it comes to AI stocks in 2026, winners and losers as they have called it. Do you see a tale of two AI stock categories taking shape?
I definitely do. And there's a group that basically underperformed the Dow Jones last year, and we think they're going to come back. And whether it was just bad timing, whether it was significant downturn in the market for their type of business model, and that includes C3, now Apple, Meta. And if you look at C3, they've got a new CEO. They're starting to win big deals across government agencies. If you look at ServiceNow, basically what they've been doing is they've running a smart strategy. They're growing at the rule of 50, but they've been handicapped because they're seen as a software as a service stock when they're actually an AI stock with agents and the ability to actually go forward with that and build platforms. And then, of course, Apple, basically people are waiting for the new iPhone foldables. There's been a question about, do they have an AI strategy? And so all this is coming in play, but they've had a strong quarter with their services business. And then, of course, Meta. Are they out of the metaverse? Are they into AI? What's that pivot look like? And those look like four strong winners that were underperforming last year that could do really well.
What do you think could be a big surprise out of CES this year, Ray, before we have to let you go?
Oh, I think the big surprise out of here will be really, are we seeing a new type of chip? Are we seeing a new type of energy? Is there a new type of vehicle? Are certain types of TVs going to take hold? And I think that's what people are waiting to see, is there's that one gadget that's going to get everyone to buy. And I think that's really what people are looking for. So it's not the AI massage chairs, I'll tell you that right now. So.
Ray Wang, I hope you can maybe relax some with one of those AI massage chairs while you're in amongst the thick of things at CES in Las Vegas. Ray's the CEO of Constellation Research. Thanks again.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.